Oh, lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, it's good to see you. I say hello, I'm happy that you came. I say hello, please tell me, please tell me, please tell me your name. Hello, I'm Justin. Look at my book. Here are photographs. This is my dad. My dad. And this is my mum. My mum. This is my brother. My brother. This is my sister. My sister. And this is a baby. The baby is me. My family. Let's look at another family.
Hi.
Look, this is Tyra. Hello, Tyra. Tyra is going to show us her family. Do you know who's in your family? Let me give you a clue. A family is the special people who care and look after you. Who is this, Tyra? This is Tyra's mum. She's busy dusting these photographs. Hello, Tyra's mum. Oh, look. Tyra's mum. Look. Mum. You sign mum. Let's look at Tyra's family again. Tyra and her mum are going into the kitchen. Do you know who's in your family? Let me give you a clue. A family is the special people who care and look after you. Who's this, Tyra? This is Tyra's dad. He's busy in the kitchen, washing the dishes. Ah, look. Tyra's dad. Look. Dad. You sign Dad. Let's look at Tyra's family again. Do you know who's in your family? Let me give you a clue. A family is the special people who care and look after you. Who's this, Tyra? This is Tyra's baby brother, Romello. Look, Tyra's brother. Look, brother. You sign brother. I wonder where Tyra's going now. Everybody is going into the front room. They're going to watch TV. Do you know who's in your family? Let me give you a clue. A family is the special people who care and look after you. So, this is Tyra's family. Mum, Dad, Romello, her baby brother, and of course Tyra. Tyra's family. Look, Tyra's family. Look. Family. You sign family. There are more people in Tyra's family.
Who's that?
I wonder who's ringing Tyra's doorbell. Let's find out.
Hello, Tyra.
Oh look, it's both of Tyra's grandmothers. They've come to have lunch. There's Grandma Pauline and Grandma Denise.
I'm coming, Becca. Shall I come in? Okay. Hi, Mela.
They both say hello to baby Romello. Tyra and Grandma Denise are going to make lunch.
Sitting comfortably? Okay. Right, can you butter this slice of bread for me, please? There you go. And I'll cut the cube.
Tyra likes helping make lunch.
Cucumber.
Today, they are making sandwiches for lunch.
You put some ham on. There's the ham. The cheese.
Well done, Tyra. A lovely cheese, ham and cucumber sandwich.
Twinkle, twinkle.
Grandma Pauline is busy as well. She's giving baby Romello his bottle of milk.
Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle.
Oh, look, baby Romello has gone to sleep.
I wonder what you are.
And now to lay the table for lunch. Tyra gives everyone a cup. Oh look, Tyra is putting a bowl of crisps on the table. This is going to be a lovely lunch. Baby Romello will have to have his lunch later. He's still fast asleep.
I'm gonna have one of your sandwich. Did you make these? Did you make these sandwich?
Yes.
Oh. That's lovely, Tyra.
Well done, Tyra. It's a lovely lunch.
Bye.
Ah, look. It's Tyra's grandmother. Look. Grandmother. You sign grandmother. Oh, look. It's Mr Tumble. Mr Tumble has to be very quiet. Look.
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Shh. Hello.
Why are you being quiet, Mr. Tumble?
Look.
Who's that, Mr. Tumble?
It's Baby Tumble.
Baby Tumble?
Yes, Baby Tumble.
Is Baby Tumble asleep?
Oh, yes, Baby Tumble's asleep.
Look at your room, Mr. Tumble. It's very untidy.
Yes,
Are you going to tidy it up?
yes.
There's a balloon behind you. Oh no, Mr Tumble. You've woken up baby Tumble. Are you trying to get baby Tumble back to sleep?
Oh, yes.
You need someone to help you, Mr Tumble.
Yes. Ah, Grandad. Grandad! Grandad!
Is this Grandad Tumble?
Yes! Hello, Grandad! Oh, hello, Mr Tumble!
Hello, Grandad Tumble.
Oh, hello!
Are you going to get baby to sleep?
Yes! Leap! Thank you, Grandad. That's okay. Bye-bye, Grandad. Bye-bye, Mr Tumble.
Goodbye, Grandad Tumble.
Goodbye.
You can carry on tidying, Mr Tumble.
Oh, yes.
But Mr Tumble, try not to make a noise.
Yes. Shh.
Sleep tight, baby Tumble. Bye-bye, Mr Tumble.
Bye-bye. I like Mr Tumble. Oh, look. It's Grandad Tumble. Look. Grandad. You sign Grandad. Oh, it's time to say goodbye. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye. Oh, hello. Lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, I'm Justin. Look at my farm. There are lots of animals. There are cows, pigs, and ducks. Look, more animals. Hello, brown cow. How do you do? Hello, white sheep. It's nice to meet you. Hello, pink pig. Asleep in your sty? And there goes a duck, waddling by. Bye-bye. Oh, look. Cow. You sign cow. Aha. Look. Cow. Ah. Look. Sheep. You sign sheep. Oh. Look. Sheep. Ah, look, pig. You sign pig. Oh, look, pig. Ah, look. Duck. You sign duck. Ah, look. Duck. Lots of animals, like Old MacDonald's farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cows, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo here and a moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Brum bum 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 bum, brum bum 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 bum. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a meh here and a meh there. Here a bar, there a bar, everywhere a bar bar. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Brum bum 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 bum, brum bum 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 bum. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My friends went to see some animals. Look. Here are my friends. Hello. Here's Adam and Shadishi, and Honor, Jody and Shaquille. Let's go. We went to visit a farm one day. We saw a cow across the way. And what do you think we heard it say? Moo! 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 This is a brown cow. Cows like eating the grass. Can you see the horns on the cow's head? That's right, Shadishi. Cow. What else is on our farm? We went to visit a farm one day. We saw a sheep across the way. And what do you think we heard it say? Bah! 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 Sheep like to eat grass as well. Its coat is white and woolly.
Sheep.
Yes, that's right, Jody. Sheep. What else is on our farm? We went to visit a farm one day. We saw a pig across the way. And what do you think we heard it say? Oink, oink, oink. Hello, pig. Pigs like sniffing the floor. Look at their snouty nose and their trotter toes.
Hello.
That's right, Adam. Pig. What else is on our farm? We went to visit a farm one day. We saw a duck across the way. And what do you think we heard it say? Quack, quack, quack. Look at their orange feet. These ducks have beautiful white feathers. Look at this one, cleaning them with its yellow beak. These ones are having a drink. That's right, Shaquille. Duck. You're right, Honor. Duck. We went to visit a farm one day. We saw a brown cow, a white sheep, a pink pig, and a white duck. And now it's time for us to say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. I liked the pig. Ah, I like Mr. Tumble. Mr. Tumble!
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Animals!
Look inside, Mr. Tumble.
Look! Cow! Moo! Cow! Moo! 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 Cow! Moo! Moo!
Mr. Tumble, are you a cow?
Yes!
Can we join in?
Yes! Moo! 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 Moo!
That was good fun, Mr. Tumble. Do you want to be another animal?
Yes!
Look in the box, Mr. Tumble.
Yes! Look! Pig! Pig! Pig!
Ah, Mr. Tumble. Are you a sniffing pig?
Yes!
Can we join in again?
Yes!
That was good fun, Mr. Tumble. Let's be another animal.
Yes!
Look in the box, Mr. Tumble.
Yes! Look! Duck! Duck! Duck!
Can we waddle like a duck?
Yes! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye! Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks. 5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." But only 1, 2, 3, 4 little ducks came swimming back. 4 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." But only 1, 2, 3 little ducks came swimming back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." But only 1, 2 little ducks came swimming back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." But only 1 little duck came swimming back. 1 little duck went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." But no little ducks came swimming back. No little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack." And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little ducks came swimming back. Oh no. Right then. Oh, hello. Lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, I'm Justin. I've been shopping. Look. I've been shopping, look what I've got. I've been shopping, what a lot I've got. A bottle of juice, biscuits too. I like oranges, how about you? Oh, look, juice. You sign juice. Look, juice. Aha, look. Biscuits. You sign biscuits. Look. Biscuits. Ah, look. Oranges. You sign oranges. Look. Oranges. I've been shopping, look what I've got. I've been shopping, what a lot I've got. A loaf of bread, apples too. I like cake, how about you? Oh, look, bread. You sign bread. Look, bread. Ah, look, apples. You sign apples. Look, apples. Ah, look, cake. You sign cake. Look, cake. My friends went shopping. Look. Here are my friends. This is Shaquille. And this is Shadishi. And this is Jan, their teacher. They're off to the supermarket to buy food. Food for a party. I wonder what they are going to buy. There are lots of other people shopping here as well. Now, where's Shadishi, Shaquille and Jan? Here they are. They're going shopping, they're searching low and high. They're going shopping, I wonder what they'll buy. Ah, here's the fruit. Lots of fruit. Apples, oranges, bananas, and pears. Look! Shaquille has got a bunch of bananas. Shidishi is putting apples in a bag. She's working very hard. And Jan has got a bag of oranges. In the trolley, and off they go. They're going shopping, they're searching low and high. They're going shopping, I wonder what they'll buy. Here's the vegetables. There are carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and mushrooms. Shidishi and Jan are putting carrots in a bag. Oh, look! Shaquille has a cucumber. In the trolley. And off they go. They're going shopping, they're searching low and high. They're going shopping, I wonder what they'll buy. The bakery. Here's bread, cakes, biscuits, and look, Shaquille is buying some biscuits. The lady puts them in the box, and he says, "Thank you."
Thank you.
Shidishi has a crusty loaf of fresh bread. And Jan has got a cake. A big cake. A birthday cake for a birthday party. In the trolley, and off they go. They're going shopping, they're searching low and high. They're going shopping, they've still got more to buy.
Bye.
We'll see you back at school. Bye. I like birthday cake. Oh, I like Mr. Tumble. Mr. Tumble. Oh, Mr. Tumble.
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Hello.
That's a picnic basket, Mr. Tumble. Open it. What's in the basket, Mr. Tumble?
Food.
Why don't you have a picnic, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, yes.
What's that, Mr. Tumble?
Plate.
A plate, Mr. Tumble?
Yes. Plate.
And what are you going to put on your plate, Mr. Tumble?
Crisps.
Crisps, Mr. Tumble?
Yes. Crisps.
What next, Mr. Tumble?
Tomato.
Ooh, a lovely red tomato.
Yes. Tomato.
Anything else, Mr. Tumble?
Sausages.
Sausages.
Yes. Sausages.
One more thing, Mr. Tumble.
Banana.
A A banana, Mr Tumble, with crisps and sausages and a tomato.
Yes! Banana!
What's the matter, Mr Tumble?
It's funny!
What's funny, Mr Tumble?
Look!
Oh, Mr Tumble, a sad face. It looks like you.
Ah!
He's happy now. Like you. Bye-bye, Mr Tumble. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye! Bye-bye, Mr Tumble! I wonder, where's Shaquille? Where's Shadishi? Here they are, at school, getting ready for the party. Everybody's helping. There's Shadishi, putting carrots in a bowl. And Shaquille's chopping a banana. This is the way we chop a banana, chop a banana, chop a banana. This is the way we chop a banana when we have a party. Adam and Sahin are helping. They're making sandwiches. This is the way we spread the jam, spread the jam, spread the jam. This is the way we spread the jam when we have a party. We need drinks. Shade is pouring the drinks. This is the way we pour the drinks, pour the drinks, pour the drinks. This is the way we pour the drinks when we have a party. Jan has put the candles on the big birthday cake. Very, very carefully, she lights the candles. Now, where's the birthday girl? Here she is. It's Jodie. Hide your eyes.
Take your hands away.
Surprise!
Look at that. You're going to blow the candles.
Blow the candles out, Jodie.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Jodie! And now the best part of any party. It's time for food. There's crisps, bread and jam, cakes, biscuits, lots of yummy food. This is the way we eat the food, eat the food, eat the food. This is the way we eat the food when we have a party. Bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Do you like birthday cake? Oh, no. It's time to go. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye. Bye-bye.